After COVID-19, education rapidly shifted towards online platforms. Today, platforms like YouTube and Coursera are helping millions of students learn anytime, anywhere. But there is a problem. This digital education is designed mostly for hearing students. Deaf learners who rely on sign language are often left behind because lectures are audio-based. Imagine sitting through an entire lecture and understanding nothing. That's the reality for millions of deaf students every day. Over 70 million people worldwide rely on sign language, yet most online lectures still do not support them. To bridge this accessibility gap, we introduced SignViz, an interactive learning platform built specifically for deaf students. It automatically converts lecture videos into sign language using animated avatars. SignViz includes key features like automatic video to sign conversion, a personal library for students to store and manage interpreted videos, and seamless SaaS integration with existing learning platforms.
There are two methods to upload video lectures, from local storage and other one is using video links.
Welcome to English in a Minute.
SignViz also provides the option of managing library to user by creating playlists.